g'day, bonjour, hi, I'm Michaela and welcome to my kitchen, and today we are making a cookie with 3 ingredients. It's got bananas, almond butter and cocoa powder. So these will not rise like a regular cookie, obviously, because there's no flour, but it's a great way to use up old bananas. So you just mash up your bananas. I have a nice soft banana here. We're going to add some almond butter, but you could add any nut butter that you want. You could add peanut butter, which is not really nuts. You could add cashew butter, any nut butter. And then we will mix that together. And then we're going to add some cocoa powder. You just put some spoonfuls on our tray. Taking them out of the oven, they rose in the oven and then they flattened when I took them out. But there you go, delicious 3 ingredient chocolate banana cookie.